I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by accessing the admin interface on the Lock or Companion app. Enter the admin PIN to unlock advanced settings. Once in, choose Biometric Enrollment and select Add Finger. Make sure the sensor and your finger are dry and clean. Position the pad of your finger flat on the sensor and hold still for the first capture. Repeat immediately if prompted to lock the registration window in. This initial capture seeds the template for better recognition. Next, refine the template by capturing several impressions from slightly different angles. Tilt and roll the finger across the sensor when prompted to build a robust model. Once you have 3 to 5 successful scans, name the template for quick management and assign access time windows or user groups as needed. Make sure to enable anti-spoof features and require a PIN fallback. These measures reduce false accepts and keep your access control both convenient and secure. Finally, verify the enrollment by testing each finger several times under different conditions, cold, warm, and slightly damp, to ensure consistent recognition. Once confirmed, enroll a secondary finger and set a secure admin backup PIN to prevent lockouts. If you encounter failures, update the lock firmware, clean the sensor, and review event logs for error codes. If problems persist, re-enroll the problematic template. Successful rescans often resolve marginal recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.